y'all, let's get into this braid. Let's get in, because what? My name is Ashaun, also known as Naturally Hair for You. Back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Welcome back.
Hey everyone, it is me, your girl Ashaun. We are back with another video. So here I have freshly washed hair. I blew it out some. As you can see, the ends aren't as straight, but you know. So we're going to start with this part, going straight down the middle of my head, and we are going to section off my hair to make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to start off with the back, and we are going to use this Eco Styler gel, and we're going to throw that on the roots of my hair. So that's just to help making it flatten out a little bit, so that way the ponytail can be flat all the way through. And we are just going to keep going on with this motion from the back and then working our way up to the front of our head. And I like to use this hair tie to secure it as I am working on each section, so that way the hair doesn't get in the way. And as you can see, I am going in between using my Denman brush to help detangle it, and then I'm going in with my hard bristle brush. And the hard bristle brush is to flatten out the hair and smooth it out. Now I'm on to the front, and of course I'm going in sections once again. I think me blowing out my hair really helped for my roots more so than my ends, if anything, which is a great thing because I really needed the roots to be flat, because as you can see, my hair is extremely thick and it is a lot to work with sometimes. So here we're going to pull out our edges, because our baby hair is what's going to pull this whole ponytail look together. So I started using this mousse to put it on my ends to help with the hair, so that way my ponytail wasn't so thick. So when I go ahead and put the feed-in hair in, it wasn't too much of a struggle. So I'm gonna go ahead and try out this new edge control gel that I have. I've never used it before. It was something new, and I thought that it would be great to put on top of my hair to secure this ponytail, and I think it really worked really great. The texture of it was very sticky, and I just went ahead and put that down on my head to take away all or any flyaways that there may be. Along with this edge control, never used it before, and I was like, let's see what this is going to talk about, and yes. Praying that this does not leave white residue, guys. We're praying, because if it does, the style's gonna be a fluke, fail, because I've never used this edge control. So, but it feels really good. It's nice and thick, and it really looks like it's doing something, but we gonna see. And of course, some more mousse to go ahead and just secure that thing down. Y'all know I love these strips for my edges, and I'm gonna lay a few of those down, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some more mousse, and then we're gonna tie my scarf on top, so that way that can be secured while I am working on the ponytail portion. So I actually tried two different ways in this video. This is the first way. So I was calling myself trying the feed-in way that Miss Avon TV did, and y'all, it just didn't work. It didn't work out, which you'll soon see. I also tried to add in the bandana like Cardi B had, and it just was not secure enough. So yeah, y'all just keep watching. for the way that braid was looking, so we are trying this yet again. I'm trying it with the hair tie around the hair, and I'm going to loop it a couple times, and then I'm going to attach it to my ponytail. And that is just to make sure that it does not go anywhere but staying on my head. So I go ahead and do that. I'm gonna make 3 pieces, and I'm just going to braid that with my hair. And I'm going to try and mask my hair as much as possible with this braiding hair. And now I'm going to feed in some more pieces of hair just to make the braid a little bit more thicker and to also help with masking my hair pieces within the braid. And I think I added about maybe 1 more piece after adding in that one. And that also helps with getting the length that you desire as well. And I see that I have a little bit of hair out, so I'm gonna put some gel and a bobby pin to try and secure it. You want to clip those stray hairs, mousse on the end, perm rods for that cute bounce, and hello, it's your girl. Extra shine to have it like popping a little bit more, I used this. If you guys remember from my video when I reviewed this, be sure to check that out. But this just gives it a little bit more shine, because after having that scarf on, it does kind of take it away. So yeah, so y'all, let's get into this ponytail. So I've been seeing this ponytail around, and I thought that I would try something different, and it was hard. The first time that you guys saw me doing it, I was trying to do it the feed-in method way. I saw that way from Miss Vaughn TV. What's something in my eye? From Miss Vaughn TV, she did a feed-in, and it didn't work well for me. I don't think my hair is long enough for me to like just braid it through, or maybe my hair should have been blown out a little bit better. But I was just thinking that if I blew it out, just at least for my roots to lay a little flat, that would be good, and then I would just be able to braid it in. Just like when I did my pop smoke braids with feeding it in, you know, it just kind of fed in, but my ends were just not with it. So I decided to try the other method, which was putting the hair tie around the hair, and I wrapped it around the ponytail, and I wrapped it around that way, and then I braided my hair down. As you guys can see, my hair is still kind of like coming out of it, which is okay, because honestly, I'm working out 3-4 times a week, and this was just something cute to do. Would hope and wish that it could last a little bit longer. I think I would have to play with my braids some more and figure out some different techniques on how to do it. But I will say that edge control, it did well. That edge control was actually from a curl box, edge control curl box. So it was a whole bunch of edge controls to do your baby hairs and stuff, and I was like, well, let me just try it out now, you know, since I have a hairstyle that could use some baby hairs. And I think I might actually like that one. It didn't make my hair hard, it didn't leave any residue, and my edges are still laid. So but they are very soft, so I don't think that they will last too much longer, especially because I sweat a lot. So Anyway, this hair, I think it's cute. It is kind of big, and I think this could have like laid down a little bit flatter. If you guys can see like that, I'm pressing it down some still. But other than that, I think it's really cute. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Oh, and let me tell you, I'm not a middle part girl, like at all. You guys should know this by now. But I think the middle part actually works very well for this hairstyle. I think it looks really cute. I think when I try it again, that I probably will do it on the side just to, you know, see the difference of what it's looking like. But these are the results. I'm kind of scared to turn around and show y'all the back, but I'm gonna show y'all the back. And I'm gonna try and stand up so you guys can see how long it is. So the braid comes, my crack is here. So about here, but because it's curled up, so we're gonna say the rubber band is here. So the top of my crack is here, so just not too far away. Yeah, guys, that is the braided ponytail. Yeah. Oh, and as you guys saw, I was trying to braid in the bandana that feed it in or whatever. Oh, you know what I did watch? I did watch another girl make her braid first, and then she attached it on to her ponytail and, like, you know, masked the bun that she had. Maybe I'll try that way. That way might work a little bit better for me. Not sure, but you know, trial and error, trial and error. Also, to jazz it up, you probably could use some of these hair clips. I have a few of them, and I think they would actually be kind of cute along with it, maybe on the side. So I'll probably try and do that to spruce it up a little bit. And yeah. But y'all, get into this makeup. Like, I did that. But like I always tell you guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend, because that's the most important thing out here, sharing with your friends. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is your girl, Naturally Hair for You, with another one.